So Mark was nice enough to take me shopping for a chair and a table because this refrigerator was way too low for my taste. So we got this nice, finished, and now I can access everything without bending down to the very bottom of my knees, which is pretty cool. And the table, the legs fold up. They have little mechanisms to fold up. And it was $15.17. And it's a very nice table. So I'm very happy. It fits perfect. That's as far as I can move it, but it gives me access to all that storage there. And now I'm just relaxing at home. Pretty soon it'll be time for a nap. Oh, I woke up at 3 o'clock and it's 1:30, but that is fantastic for that. For the refrigerator, it doesn't weigh hardly anything. So we pulled it up on the table there. And I can put stuff under there if I want, but